What happened?
It was all
Yes?
my fault. For once, he took the rap. Wow.
I don't care who takes the rap. You're both going to get it. Nobody double-crosses Belladonna and lives.
Halt! You will not harm these two.
Annabelle, get out of my line of fire.
Try it, and I'll clip your wings.
That bug belongs to me.
No, cousin. People belong to themselves, so they can choose between good or evil. And it's my duty to protect that. You protect him from me with what? A smile and a sunbeam? Your ways are big and fiery, so I will stop you with something small and cool.
Snowflakes? Ha! Snow can't stop me! Dang.
Nobody messes with heaven.
Oh, thanks, Annabelle.
Oh, pish. Think nothing of it. You did all the work, Mr. Carruthers.
Oh, yeah. Great work, big guy. Oh, I feel a group hug coming on. Or not.
Somewhere deep inside you is a sliver of good, Mr. Carruthers. Try to let it out more often.
Oh, look, boss. We're headed for home.
Oh, and good work.
Hey, Mr. Reindeer, look! You made it snow after all. Thanks.
Whoa. Charlie, what does this mean?
It means our plan worked. We convinced Carface to save Christmas.
Actually, Charlie, the final decision belonged to Carface.
Yes, and he chose correctly.
See? I told you all along we could trust him.
Well, congratulations on your most important mission. This will be a story to repeat for years to come.
I just feel so bad for those pups because we don't have any PRES gifts left, you know?
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
It's easy for him to be jolly. Ooh, he's not pulling this darn thing. Ow!
Here you go, kids. Here you are.
Really noble, Carface, bringing back the gifts you stole.
Hey, you kidding? I added lots of new stuff, too.
No fooling? Hey, nice going.
Ain't I a little Dickens? Hey, I want you to meet my new pal.
Timmy!
Look, Charlie. Uncle Carface filled it up full.
Uncle? I never thought I'd hear myself bark these words, but you did the right thing for once.
Yeah, don't expect it to last long. I still got a business to run, you know.
At least you were sweet for a day.
Aw, this calls for a song.
Okay, now go now.
No!
La 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 la. Now?
When we hear a Christmas carol, we know that it's Christmas at last. Every time we hear a Christmas carol, we know that it's Christmas at last. We've gone from spring into summer, from fall into winter, and soon this...
Hey, why don't you stick around for the party, big boy?
I love to, but I'm gonna go visit my mom. It's been a long time. Mush!
Yo! Ow! Easy on the pelt!
Merry Christmas! God bless!
Yep, God bless us, everyone. Charlie.
And all I can add to that is Merry Christmas.
And that goes double for us.